Wow, that is beautiful.
Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Starry Night projector. Right off the bat, we got this cleaning cloth. Here is the user manual. Looks like these are film discs. You can get like different Starry Night scenes. Here you've also got 6 different film discs. Inside here you got USB-C to USB cable. Here is the projector itself. This feels very nice in the hand. So you want to set it down on a flat surface somewhere, and you can just project it wherever you like. On the side here, you got this little knob, and that's where you're gonna go ahead and pull out, and then you can place your little film disc in there. So overall, very intuitive. I went ahead and plugged this projector in, as you can see right there. And then on top, you've got these different buttons. You got a power button right here. And then you've got this button here to change the rotation speed if you want rotation of the image. So you got slow, fast, and off. And then here you got a timer button, so you can set this before bed. And then you've also got a rotation knob right here. Rotate this until you see the image most clearly on your wall, then you're good to go. Taking a closer look at it here, you can tell just how silent this thing is. Nice ventilation there on the bottom. Let's go ahead and remove that film disc again. Even brighter once you take it out. And you can see that image there of the galaxy. Pops in very easily. Here is that timer option. You press it once, 1 hour. Press it again, 2 hours. Press it again, there's no timer. And then there's that rotation button. When you press it and it turns off, you don't hear the motor anymore because the motor just stops running. By the way, there are 12 film discs included. As you can see here, you got solar system. It basically tells you a little fact about each one and the little image that it will show. You've got Earth, Moon, Milky Way, Hubble Deep Field, North American Nebula, Mystic Mountain. So these are some very interesting images, and it's very educational. I'm gonna go ahead and try out the Mystic Mountain film card, as that is a very bright picture. So you take it out, you can see the image in there. It tells you which side to place it up. Load it in like so. As you can see, it's filling up most of my bedroom ceiling, and I've got a large bedroom, so that just goes to tell you it's not completely dark in here, so it'll look even more vivid at night. But you just get an idea there. Falling asleep to that would be very nice. There you've got our solar system. Each planet looks very, very nice. This is the Hubble Deep Field, so just a lot of different stars, a lot of different shapes. Overall, I highly recommend this projector. It has lots of great scenes, lots of high quality images. I really like how it rotates, and I especially like the different facts on each of these cards. It tells you about what you're looking at. This would be a great way to fall asleep. I highly recommend you actually put this on your nightstand next to your bed so you can control it while you're sleeping, pop in different cards. Great for the kids. Thanks for watching.